Yo, just picked up this Peugeot Ocean Express off Facebook Marketplace. Little bike check. Here's the Suntour XCD 6000 AccuShift rear derailleur. A little beat up, but nice. Maillard Diabolo rear hub with a helicomatic freewheel on it. We've got the Sugino VP2 cranks, I do believe, with the Suntour pedals that spin pretty nicely given their age. The XCD front derailleur, the Suntour roller cam brakes that need some love but are pretty cool. The Suntour chain that's nice and old and stretched out. The Miche seat quick release, seat post binder quick release. The Ocean Express logo, 501's tubing sticker, alloy stem and bars. We've got the Suntour combination levers and thummies. This side is indexed and friction. That side is power friction, or I forget what they call it, power ratchet. We've got the Diacomp canties and the Diabolo hubs again, laced to these Mavic Oxygen rims that are pretty sweet, nice and wide. Brake track is in pretty good condition. And yeah, that's my pickup.